Welcome back. I don't know if you can hear the music in the background or not. I know you will when I turn around. Yeah, I'm pretty content out here in peace and quiet out in the wilderness. I'm not very big on large events, and I don't know why. But we're kind of at one. It's called Howling at the Moon. There's a lot of people down there. I don't know if the sun, is darkening the camera or not, but there's probably 1,000 people there or more. Some people in RVs and side-by-sides and dune buggies and jeeps and pickup trucks and just various vehicles come out here. And as I understand, this is all on private property. I think they're allowed to have an event this big for 2 days. I don't know what the local regulations are, but I think it's a monthly thing put on by private property owners. A couple does this, so it happens to be the Halloween bash, and speaking of Halloween and full moons and such, right? That's kind of Halloweenish. I think the full moon's going to come up over there here in a short while, and it's supposed to be the first time that there's been a full moon on Halloween in like 41 years, and it's supposed to happen again in not for another 19 years. That's what I heard. I don't know, but I asked myself, if, I just don't care for these big events. I asked myself, well, why am I here then? But then I remember too, I like traveling and hanging out with my friends, so there's give and take. Sometimes we'll go out and just kind of boondocking somewhere peaceful, and other folks like to go to these big events. So I go along and I tolerate it. Okay. Sometimes I'll go. Sometimes I'll mingle and go and be and have a little bit of fun, but not too often. But sometimes. The Bounder is way out. If you ever come to something like this here in the Arizona area this time of year, and if you're ever looking for me, you'll probably find me way out in the outskirts somewhere. I'm certainly not in the middle, in the thick of it. I'm way out on the edge. So anyway, we're here. I might take a couple of photos, or maybe the full moon when it comes up over. Maybe a time lapse. Maybe not. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just out here. It was funny. It's almost only a one-day event. Earlier today, there's only a few of us out here, and I went in. It's pretty warm today, and I just took a day off. I went in, turned the air conditioner on, watched some TV for a while, and the afternoon kind of passed, and I got up and off the couch and looked out, and there's all these vehicles out here. It arrived while I was taking a break. So it's pretty interesting, but I kind of chose just to hang out and do my own thing. I might wander over in there a little bit later on, but it's pretty nice out here. So I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do next. So there's gonna be this event, and then a lot of people will camp and stay tonight, and it'll probably clear out tomorrow. I have no idea what we're doing. No idea. This is a Fortuna Foothills, and there's trails that go all through here. And I'm out messing around on the e-bike a little bit. I was gonna get the motorcycle off and go exploring. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. I'm just kind of in easy mode right now. I just might enjoy easy mode for a bit. Taking a ride through near where we're camped at. The Bounder's up here somewhere. I should have taken Bella. She likes to run by the bike. This is a wide enough open place here. If I got out here away from the crowd and all the parked vehicles, I could ride up that one road, and she likes to run along. There's the old Bounder. this will be a bit of an experiment. I've tried capturing pictures of the moon with other cameras with some success, better than others, but I've never tried the camcorder and the zoom feature and how it adjusts to the light, how it auto focuses. So I'm gonna give this a try. Keep in mind it's an experiment. We'll see how it goes. Well, it doesn't look like it's doing very good. Oh, here we go. Maybe it will focus. Wait, let me recenter it here. We'll see if I can zoom in some more. It looks like, hey, maybe that's a spaceship. Come on, focus, focus. Because we can zoom more. Need the light to adjust a little bit. Come on. Maybe that's as good as it's gonna get. Huh. It should show, some of the texture or the different, kind of like shaded spots almost. And it doesn't do very well zoomed out. Oh well, it was an experiment. Maybe I should dig my other camera out. Come on, focus. Oh, okay, there it shows some of the dark spots. That there is probably as good as it's gonna get. And really the other camera doesn't do a whole lot better. That's pretty good. I wish I could adjust the darkness. Maybe. Huh. Oh well. That's the full moon this Halloween. Actually, it's the morning after. It is early morning here. As a matter of fact, it's so early that the sky to the east is getting light. Yeah, I went to bed early last night. Like I said, I'm not one, for the nightlife too much. Not these days, anyhow. Zoomed in too far? Bad camera control. Actually, that's perfect. And big brown eyes. Yeah, it's still early, huh? It was early to go out for a big run. Okay, inside. Go on, inside. This event cleared out just as fast as it filled up yesterday afternoon. It went on after the band stopped for the evening, and that was about it. I didn't realize it was so many locals. Actually packed up and left. So there's only a handful of us here that actually stayed, and it was 2 days, 2 nights was the event, but I'm surprised so few campers actually camped here. I mean, they're cleaning up. Over there's the stage, and there's barriers the whole way out and around, and the whole way down that way. And there's a lot of people here, but everybody's gone. Well, except for the few campers around. I'm more used to the nomad events that happen in this part of the country this time of year, where just a bunch of rigs, everybody's basically camping. There's hardly any locals that just show up and then leave the same day. Usually people are here camping for a week or more. But So it was odd seeing everybody leave like that. Okay, something else I want to show you that I got done here while I was in Yuma was I did pick up new stickers. I know a couple people had ordered stickers in the last week or two. I know you haven't gotten them yet, but it's down to one left, and I just want to keep it as a sample of the original sticker, because the new stickers are actually new and improved. And let me see here, it's kind of windy. There's a new font, and Bella's head's not cut off in this one. I found the original picture, and thanks to the help of my sister, that improved the design. That center area, instead of being a circle with Bella's head being chopped off, it's actually stretched, and there's more of Bella in it. And the font on the top is changed too, and I like it much better. These came out really nice. Thanks, sis. Anyway, yeah, so the company that made these for me actually was bought out by another sign and a decal shop, and they wanted to charge me over twice as much that I had paid for them in the last 2 years. And I asked them about it, and they said, well, when they bought that company out, their equipment was old and antiquated, and they have all new state-of-the-art equipment. And obviously they just passed that price along. Anyway, I got a big batch of them this time, so the couple people that ordered them, I will get them in the mail soon. If you would like yours, if you would like one, there's instructions down in the video description on every video. So look down there and follow the instructions. So what else is going on? It's gonna be time to leave again, because this is just a 2-day event. We'll be packing up and getting out of here. Now that Halloween is over, what's today, November 1st? See, my videos aren't as delayed as some people think they are. Maybe 2, sometimes 3 days, but they're pretty current. But we're gonna be moving on. It's supposed to get hotter and hotter here, I think, for a good solid week. We may retreat partway back up in elevation. I don't know what we're doing yet. Anyway, that's it. That's my take on this Halloween event from a distance, and the update on the stickers. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you soon.